All right, slackers. This is Outback Jack here at Borden Mill Park, and ran into a little kid here.
That's only Jason, and he's pretending.
I'm not pretending. I'm not pretending at all. Anyway, taking this boy bike riding. You're going to turn right here, Zod, and stay on the middle of the path. You're doing great. Keep pedaling, buddy. Oh, that's cool. Are you revving your engine? Rev it again. Wow. You're doing awesome, Zai. You might be ready to take them training wheels off soon. Good job, buddy.
What training wheels?
In the back of the bike, there's some training wheels. You're doing great.